Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll discuss one more concept from the relative special theory of relativity, and the important and this is a very important part, which is the relativistic velocity. Okay, so this relativistic velocity part, you always get a question. Okay, like if you'll calculate the probability of getting a question from this section is more from the special theory of relativity part. Okay, so when I'm considering the relativistic velocity part, so I will like to give the formula over here. I have already discussed this part, this relativistic velocity part in another video. So the basic is like, if we know this is this is the S frame, and a frame S prime, sorry, this is S prime frame, this is S frame, this is S prime frame, and this is my x prime, this is y, and this is y prime, this is z prime, this is z. Okay, so the thing is, the particle is the S prime is also moving, and there is a object that is also moving with with some velocity. Okay, so we know the formula, which is ux prime is equal to ux minus v by 1 minus ux v by c square. Okay, I'm not going to do the derivation because the derivation is like that was lengthy, but just you have to remember this formula in order to do the questions from the relativistic velocity part. Okay, so where in this question, just the main thing is to identify this ux prime, ux and v. Okay, so the thing is, ux prime is the nothing but the relative velocity. Okay, and this ux is the velocity of the velocity with or relative velocity relative to an observer in S frame, an observer in S frame. Okay, and this just a second. Okay, and this v is, and this v is the velocity of S prime with respect to S. Okay, and this ux prime is the relative velocity, or this is the or we can say this is the velocity relative to the S prime frame. Okay, u prime, that's why S prime, and u is velocity relative to S, and v is the velocity of S prime with respect to S. So we'll just I will give some example and solve one question from the CSR net. So as you can see this question, and I will give you a little bit of like extra today. So this is like this is the question. Okay, so like this is as you can see, a light signal travels from a point A to B, both within a glass slab that is moving with a speed 0.3 c with respect to an external observer. If the refractive index is 1.5, then the observer will measure the speed of the signal as. These are the four options. Okay, so before going to this, I just want to give you, like, I just see if the this is the case when the like the S prime frame and the object is traveling in the same direction. Okay, if there are two objects, they are traveling, then if they are going along, if this is object A and this is object B, and this is traveling with velocity va and this is traveling with velocity vb, then the relative velocity between them will be equal to va minus vb 1 minus va vb by c square. Okay, if they are traveling opposite to each other, this will become va plus vb by 1 plus VA, sorry, that will remain 1 minus VA VB by C square. Sorry, this will become plus. Okay, so 1 BA plus BB, 1 plus BA BB by C square. Similarly, if I'll consider here, so this will be UX plus B, UX prime will be equal to UX plus B by 1 minus 1 plus UX B by C square. And one more thing is also there. If I want to find out UX will be equal to, here I am writing it here, UX will be equal to UX prime plus B by 1 plus UX prime B by C square. Okay, if I'll find UX. Okay, so let's jump to the question. So this is the question. So it's saying that a light signal is traveling from point A to B within a glass slab. Both are within a glass slab. So like something like this. This is a glass slab here, and the light signal is traveling inside the glass slab from point A to point B. Okay, and this glass slab is traveling with a velocity 0.3 c with respect to the observer. So we always take the observer is present at S frame. Okay, so this is the case, and so as a whole we are taking this frame as the S prime frame. So now just see and identify which one is what. Okay, so if I'll see this here, this V velocity will be equal to 0.3 c. As we have just discussed, this V is nothing but in the formula like ux prime is equal to ux minus b by 1 minus ux b by c square, right? So this b is nothing but the relative velocity between s prime. So this is the velocity of s prime with respect to s, and here this s prime is traveling with a velocity 0.3 c. Now we have to find out what then the observer will measure the speed of the signal as. So we have to measure the speed of the signal with respect to the observer, and that means we have to find out ux, which is nothing but the velocity relative to s, and which is in this question we have to find out ux, right? Because it is saying the observer will the speed of the signal measured by the observer. Okay, so we have to find out ux. Okay, now what about ux prime? Okay, so as you can see, one more information is there, refractive index of the glass slab. Okay, so the if the refractive index is 1.5, we know the velocity with velocity the relation between the velocity and the refractive index. So this will become c by n. Okay, so my ux prime is c by n, right? So now you have to find out ux. So ux is nothing but, as I have just said, ux plus b by 1 plus ux prime b by c square, right? Now just substitute the values here. We'll get ux prime is c by n plus b. What is b? B is 0.3 c here, and here 1 plus ux prime is c by n, and b is 0.3 c, and here divided by c square. Okay, so the rest part I am doing here. I can. Okay, so so this ux becomes c by n plus 0.3 c divided by 1 plus c by n 0.3 c divided by c square. Okay, so this gets cancelled out, and I remained with, okay, this is c by n here. So okay, so okay, so if I'll calculate this here, so here like this value is already given, so this will be c by here 1.5 plus 0.3 into 1.5, and in the down below here 1 plus 0.3 by 1.5. So if I will calculate this, I will get around 0.81 C. Okay, so this will be my answer. Okay, if I will take out this C from here, so by after a little bit of calculation I will get 0.81 C here. Okay, so my most probable answer is this one. Okay, I hope you guys got some idea regarding this part. So just you have to identify which one is ux, which one is ux prime, and which one is b. Okay, so then you can attend all the questions. Okay, all such type of questions. Okay, then okay, so we'll discuss some more in the next videos. Till then, take care, stay safe, and good night.